Hello lovelies, excuse the fact that I look tired. I am extremely tired. I'm not sleeping at the moment, but I wanted to jump on here really quickly and talk about Scent Addict. So this is October's Scent Addict, and this is one of the worst ones I've tried so far, and you might be surprised by what the brand of the perfume is, or fragrance. So I say this in every single video. It's from the fragrance shop. It's £14 a month now. It used to be £12 a month. I wish they hadn't put it up to £14 a month. There's a few more fragrances I want to try in 2026, and then I'm just going to cancel it because it works out a lot of money over the year. Anyway, when you first get it, you can choose your own like vial. So I chose gold, and the perfume comes here. It doesn't come like this every single month. It comes in a padded envelope, which sucks really, because that padded envelope with the perfume, with the little vial of perfume, I'll show you how big it is, could break. So they don't really take that much care of it. But other than that, I really enjoy getting these fragrances. So to take it out and also to put it in, you lift it up like that, and then that's how much you're getting. You're getting 8 mils every month. And so 8 mils might not seem a lot, but it really is, guys. It does last a month. And some of these perfumes you don't have to spray like all the time, because some of them are pretty strong. Like I did get the Lancôme Belle Elixir, and I like that better than I like this one. So this perfume has just come out new, just before Christmas. So this one is the Lancôme Belle Vanilla Nude EDP. I didn't like it at all. I used it up because I paid £14 for it. But yeah, I didn't really like it. And I don't know why I didn't like it. So we need to go through the notes and to try and figure out what made me not like it. Yeah. I mean, it says vanilla. I can get a scent of the vanilla, but there's so many scents behind it. So we're done with that. So then I can do the next video and tell you what November's perfume is, and I've also got December's perfume, and January's will be coming really soon as well. Okay, so let's talk through the notes of the Lancôme Belle Vanilla Nude. So I will put, oh hang on, how do I get that off? I will put all this on the screen here. Right, so the main accords are vanilla. You can definitely smell the vanilla in it, but it's not as strong as I would like because of all the other scents in it. It's powdery and it's musky, yes. But then it's like white floral. I wouldn't say it's sweet. I'd say it's quite bitter. No, that's definitely not sweet. And it's got aldehydic and balsamic in it. Maybe they're the two ingredients that I don't like from this. I don't know, but I know that I don't like the perfume, and I'm so glad I didn't buy full size because it is very expensive, even at 30 mils. I think it's about £50 to £60. So I always like to try these 8 mils and just see what I would buy and what I wouldn't buy. Just trying to see how many votes. So perfume rating has got 4.03 out of 5, and with 1,299 votes. Now obviously people like it, but I didn't personally. It says La Belle Vanilla Nude by Lancôme is a oriental fragrance for women. This is a new fragrance. La Belle Vanilla Nude was launched in 2025. La Belle Vanilla Nude was created by Anne Philippot and Dominique Ropion. Top notes are solo notes are jasmine, middle note is bourbon vanilla. Maybe it's because it's bourbon vanilla, I don't know. Base notes are white musk and sandalwood. Maybe it's the sandalwood I don't like. Right, so pros, I'll tell you them. So 20 people have said that it's comforting, feminine and clean aesthetic. I don't find it comforting. I just don't like it. I don't know how many times I can say I don't like it, but it is the worst perfume I've tried from the fragrance shop so far. 19 people have said that it's a smooth blend with no sharp edges. I don't think I agree with that either. 15 people have said lacks a heavy patchouli of original. Yes, I agree with that. It doesn't smell anything like the original, but then they have put nude vanilla in it. 11 people are saying it's expensive for a soft skin scent. I agree. two people don't like that. That's a con, by the way. I've gone on to cons now. Performance varies significantly by skin chemistry. Well, it will do. Any perfume doesn't smell the same on every skin type, does it? But it will smell differently. So 7 people have said that. 1 dislike. Linear scent profile lacks complex development. 7 people have said that. 5 dislikes. We'll go on to show you that. I'll try and get that in the video as well. Top notes, solar notes, jasmine. Middle notes, bourbon, vanilla. Base notes, white musk and sandalwood. And then that's it. I've told you everything I can about the perfume. My personal opinion is, if you're going to go into this thinking, oh, it's a vanilla scented perfume, I'd avoid it. Get something that's more vanilla, like a perfume that just says it's vanilla. You can get all sorts these days. Kylie Cosmetics has just come out with a body mist that's vanilla. Then there's Victoria's Secrets. They've come out with body mist, and Vanilla Brulee, I think, is one of them. I wouldn't mind trying that. But yeah, I wouldn't repurchase. This one's empty. So, I mean, can I get a little bit out of it? Yeah, little bits come out of it. So let's try it. Let's rub the hands together. Oh, no, I thought I'd give it another shot and just think, do I not? When it settles, it's not that bad, but I don't get the vanilla scent from it. You know, I get more vanilla from, where are you? I don't know where it is, but it's the Britney Spears Midnight Fantasy. I really, really like this a lot more, and it's so much more cheaper. So I got this Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth, and this has vanilla in it. And I also got the 30ml of it as well in a set. And it came with body lotion, so I like that more than I like the Lancôme one, and, you know, it's much more inexpensive. Anyway, this is just my review, guys. Make of that what you will. Let me know if you've tried this perfume and what your thoughts are on it. Not everyone's thoughts are going to be the same, because like it says, you know, the chemistry of your skin can make it appear different from my skin to somebody else's skin. So we're going to leave that here now. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.